So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin kabola. Ito pong ating paniniwala na naman po kabola. Ito nga pong Converge interesado dito kay JP Eram, and we will suggest po a good and fair trade between Converge at TNT. At sa mga hindi pa na-subscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription. Bottom reserve po with some comments of the fans. Sabi po ni Ace Pineda, para sa akin okay lang may sister teams basta walang farm teams. Saka dapat hanggang 2 teams lang per company, sabi naman po niya. Kabola, sabi naman ito yung rollout pa, shoutout sir, yes po. Sabi ni Joe Boy Ave, bakit walang ng PBA Love cover sa YouTube? Anong nangyari sa kapatid TV5 International? Dati meron live PBA coverage doon pero nawala. Ngayon, new season. Hindi ko rin po alam kabola kung bakit nawawala po yung mga live coverage po online ng PBA. Baka may agreement po ang RPB TV, kabola, at saka ang PBA, and I think that agreement is not beneficial to the overall health and popularity of the league, kabola. There should be a clear venue, kabola, kung saan makapanood po ang PBA ng live, kabola. Even dun po sa Smart Live stream, kabola, mukhang wala na dun, or hindi na po live ang PBA dun, which is of course very disappointing, kabola. Jovin's Arts, edi pupunta ang mga tao sa MPBL, pondohan ito at palaganapin na improve ang MPBL kung ayaw nila. Like Japan, may mga division na, malalaki ang value, market, mas marami manonood sa MPBL, sabi niya. The issue now with MPBL is very young, kabola, and it's fested po, kabola, with a lot of issues in terms of gambling. And of course, malaking issue po yung gambling, kabola. So, hindi rin ako fully supportive po dyan sa idea po na yan, kabola. Now, kabola, ito nga, nanalo ang Reno Shine kontra Ginebra, kabola, a day after po ng akin pong nirecord itong video na ito, kabola. So, yan. At marami ng fans ang hopeful again sa magiging future po ng Reno Shine, especially that they are independent teams. Maglabas na nga ng column, is the dark horse in the PBA right now, sabi niya. Of course, I'm happy to see an independent team win games, kabola, especially against a powerhouse like Ginebra, pero sa akin, this is kinda early, kabola, to anoint them as the dark horse. They should at least give them another 2 games. Let us see if they can win at those 2 games again before we say that they are dark horse. Kasi sobrang lakas po ng San Miguel Beermen, kabola. And sobrang may manapatunayan na po sa playoffs pa rin ang Ginebra, Magnolia, TNT, kabola. And of course, post-boom pa lang po rin or shine. Of course, we are really positive with what we saw, especially with their 2 rookies. Chong Son is really a hard-nosed defender. Lemeti is a solid veteran-like Southie point guard, kabola, that what could be the missing piece, kabola, in a potential title conquest for Reno Shine. Sa Ginebra naman, of course, talagang binabanatan ngayon sina RJ Barrientos, kabola, tinatawag nilang overrated, and Isaac Go, kabola, ang tinatawag nilang next EJ5. Akalain mo ba naman kasi Barrientos 1 out of 15 shooting, and Go 1 out of 14 shooting. Talagang binabanatan sila ngayon, kabola, no? Madaming criticism, pero it's still the first game, kabola, and the glimpses for the 2 players to work out dito sa Ginebra is still there. And alam naman natin, sa mga fans po ng Ginebra, kayo naman, parang hindi lang kayo sanay. Basta coach team ko niyan, may mga conferences na talagang slow starter sila, kabola. And our championships by Ginebra pa na slow start sila. So, wag masyado agad po na panghinaan ng loob. Now, ito na yung suggest po natin na trade for Converge, no, kung talagang gusto nilang kunin si Eram. Kasi for me, I really believe that an Eram, Baltasar Arana frontline is the most complete frontline po na pwedeng makreate po ngayon sa PBA if they can manage to get ito nga pong si Eram. So for me, it will be an Eram and first round pick from TNT in exchange for Winston, kabola, at Jay Ambot. In terms of future value, of course, panalo dyan ng TNT kasi they're trading to get 2 very young pieces, kabola, with high potential. Pero yun nga, kung i-consider natin talaga po yung current value that Converge may want, if they really want to try and win a championship now and next season, kabola, getting Eram is a solid find. Of course, we are a big fan of Winston, kabola, pero I'm also a big believer talaga of Eram being combined with those 2 big men. Kabola, sa palagay mo, solid ba itong trade na to? Kami lang po sa baba.